Hello and welcome to Ipswich's Real Estate Podcast, a podcast where we help you navigate the often complex world of buying, selling and renting here in Ipswich and the surrounding areas. I'm Steve Athanates, the owner of NGU Real Estate here in Ipswich. I'm joined today by Matthew Taylor-Farrington from Purple Bunny Marketing.
Yes.
We're bringing you a special episode of Ipswich's Real Estate Podcast where we're going to talk about the results and the year that was the 2025-2026 financial year that ended on the 30th of June, which is 2 days ago.
Yep.
Right, so we're coming to you fresh. You're getting it red hot. We're going to tell you exactly what happened in the 2025-2026 financial year here in Ipswich and the surrounding areas.
Yes.
So Matt wanted to ask me some questions and talk about what's happened over the course of the last financial year.
Well, it's been a turbulent 12 months, up and down. I guess we've had some shock decisions come, RBA announcements that have gone up, gone down, stayed. It's been one of those years where it's like you're not quite sure where things are headed. But I guess what did we see overall in the 12 months for NGU? How did things go? What did we see from a listing perspective in the market?
Okay, well, let's talk about the year and what a year it's been.
Yes.
At the start of the financial year, so we're talking July last year, through to August, all the way through to probably January, February, March, everyone was talking about, are the prices ever going to stop going up? What's going to happen? Where's this going to end? Where's all this craziness going to end? Well, it has had a correction. It hasn't come to an end, but we've definitely had a correction.
Yes.
Yes, unfortunately, sometimes all good things must come to an end, or they get curtailed to a point. So we had that extreme. Then we had this crazy thing called the war in Iran.
Yes,
still sort of lingering. We've got a ceasefire. We've got a truce, but still maybe it's over. Maybe it's not. That caused huge pressures on inflation, which then, as you said, resulted in 3 interest rate rises, which sort of spooked and panicked some people.
Yes.
Look, I think we could have survived that. And then we got this crazy thing called the federal budget where some people changed their position.
Yeah, Mr. Chalmers.
All right, so they changed their position. Okay, we didn't lie about it. We changed our position.
Yes.
Now, hasn't that had an effect on the marketplace?
Yes, more so probably.
Yeah, well, it's sort of been crazy. I think there's been a lot of unintended, potentially consequences.
Yes.
We'll talk about that more, but the financial year, the last quarter, it finished differently to the first 3 quarters before that.
Yes.
So I've got some numbers for you. I can talk about the last quarter of 2026. So that's April, May, June.
Yep.
Okay, what we did in those 3 months, and then I'll tell you what we did for the whole financial year. So this is all of my business partners here in Ipswich. There's about 6 or 7 of our offices here in Ipswich, and we had a pretty special last quarter and an absolutely amazing financial year.
Yes.
All thanks to the amazing people of Ipswich who trusted us with their prized possession, whether that be their family home or their investment property, and they listed and sold with NGU Real Estate. To all of those people, thank you. To all of the buyers, congratulations. To my sales teams, my administration teams, my property managers, you're the best. Thank you and congratulations to you on a massive quarter and a full financial year. Yes. So you want to talk about what happened the last quarter of 2026?
Yes. Well, we'll start there. Yeah. So how did we go? What did we list and sell for the last quarter?
All right. So over a 90-day period, this is, all right? Roughly 90 days, 3 months. We listed 317 properties over that 90-day period. So just under 4. Just under 4 a day. So thank you, Ipswich, for your trust. So massive result, 317 properties listed in the last quarter of 26 for the financial year. Sales, 223 sales for the quarter. So that totaled $238 million worth of real estate.
wow.
So to all the people who sold, got amazing prices, congratulations and thank you for your support. To the buyers, in that last quarter, we did see some corrections in the market. There was an opportunity for some people who potentially bought better than they would have in the
Previously.
first quarter of 2026. To you, congratulations on your smarts. You picked up and you've bought well, so congratulations. So there has been, a change in market represents a change in opportunity.
Yes.
Okay, it's largely been a seller's market. It's slowly transitioning and starting to become a bit more of a buyer's market.
Agreed.
But we'll see what happens in the first quarter of
the new financial year.
26-27 financial year. So that's July, August, September, but we'll see what happens there.
Yep.
So, yes, over the course of the quarter, we listed, we bought on 31 new managements and we rented a total of 40 properties.
Yep.
So our property managers, our business development manager, all working extremely hard, and congratulations to them. And again, to those landlords, thank you for your ongoing support and your new business.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So overall, considering most of that impact from our budget has been in that quarter, still a very solid result for the quarter.
Really, really solid. I guess when there's any change, people, humans, we don't generally like change.
No.
It scares us, and we're not sure of the impact or the results. So sometimes when we get change, we tend to freeze and we do nothing.
Yes.
Okay, that has not been our experience. Some other real estate companies may not have experienced exactly the same sort of results that we have. We are the number one real estate company here in Ipswich, so we're probably a bit better insulated than some of the other companies.
Yes.
The market continues to defy the odds and continues to perform, and that's why real estate is seen as one of the the benchmark investment opportunities here in our great country.
Agreed. All right. So that was the quarter.
Yep.
What did it look like then? If we look at that last 12 months as a snapshot, what did we see from a listing and selling?
We're talking July 2025 through to the 30th of June 2026, which is today is the 2nd of July. This financial year finished 2 days ago. It's coming in red hot.
Yep.
So for the financial year, we listed, wait for this, 1,106 properties across Ipswich and surrounding areas. 1,106.
Nick's got to put something up on screen for
There's
that.
fireworks, there's rockets shooting across the screen. It's all happening here at NGU Real Estate.
That's awesome.
Yeah, unbelievable. And the support of the people of Ipswich continues to even amaze me. We are so grateful. I can't say thank you enough, but 1,106 families, investors chose NGU Real Estate over the course of the last financial year, and we are so grateful. So thank you.
Yeah.
We sold,
Yes.
drum roll,
Yeah.
we sold 871 properties,
Yeah.
right?
Wow.
So let's put that in context. Over a 90-day period, okay, we sold just under 3 properties every single day
Yes.
over a 90-day period.
Yep.
Yeah.
No.
No, over a year.
12 months.
12-month period, yeah.
Yes.
So we sold 871 properties over the course of that financial year.
Yes.
Now, mate, that equates to $833 million.
Yeah, wow.
Now, I mentioned on our podcast a few episodes ago that I believed in this calendar year,
Yes.
NGU Real Estate here in Ipswich would sell $1 billion worth of Ipswich real estate. Okay? For the last financial year, we're at $833 million.
Yes.
We've got $170 million to go to hit a $1 billion
Yes.
goal. All right? Now, we can only do that with the continued support of the great people of Ipswich,
Yes.
People who've invested in this amazing city and its surrounding areas. Get behind us. We're on a drive. We want to hit $1 billion in sales
Yes.
by the end of this calendar year.
Yep.
Right? So we're halfway through.
Yes.
We're in the back end. So we're looking for $1 billion in sales over this calendar year. So stay tuned. Let's see how we go.
Yes.
Over the course of the year, 139 new managements, which is amazing. Fantastic result. And we rented a total of 177 properties over the course of that financial year.
Yes.
So to all those people who got into homes through our company, thank you for your support. Thank you to our landlords for your ongoing support. And we continue to house the people of Ipswich, whether it be in their family home or in a rental property.
Yes.
So thank you to everyone.
Well, overall, for what we considered probably a very disruptive year.
We started off amazing.
A phenomenal result, really.
Yeah, we started off amazing. We thought,
Yes.
it was just going to power from strength to strength. A little bit of a hiccup towards, the first and the second quarter, last quarters, or
Yes.
third and fourth quarters of the year. But overall, as you say, absolutely massive results.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of our team.
Yes.
The amount of work that our dedicated sales, administration, property management teams do between the boys and the girls.
Yep.
Absolutely massive result, and something that they should be truly proud of. And what I can tell you is they are, each and every one of them are so personally grateful for the support that we get from our Ipswich community. So a big thank you from our sales, administration and property management teams.
Yep. Yeah. Well, I don't think I have anything else, unless there's something else.
I don't have anything else, mate. After that lot, I'm actually exhausted. I mentioned it's the 2nd of July.
Yes.
We have been very busy.
Yes.
I need to save some strength. I've got to continue to list and sell houses for the next 6 months. But look, for everyone out there, we understand it's been a difficult time, particularly this last 3 months. I don't think those difficult times are over, Matt, unfortunately.
No.
I think we're still going to see some pain ahead. We've talked about what's happening in Sydney and Melbourne.
Yes.
Some of those areas, it's really not good. So for all those people, our heart goes out to you. For the people in Queensland, we're not going to be as affected as badly as our southern states.
Yes.
But look, there will be some changes. There will be some corrections. Now remember, a correction represents an opportunity.
Yes.
Okay, and an opportunity for someone to get into the market. Hopefully it's a first home buyer, even though at the moment they're doing nothing.
Yes.
But hopefully it's a first home buyer who decides that, look, it is safe. They can invest in their a family home or an investment property or whatever they want to do.
Yes.
For the people who already own existing properties, you have realised some massive gains over the course of the last 3-4 years. Now, whilst there has been a slight correction, okay, you haven't physically lost any money.
No, correct.
Any money that was lost is a paper loss, okay, and the only way it's ever realised is if you actually sell.
Correct.
So your house may not be worth as much as it was 3 months ago today,
Yes.
but if you don't intend to sell it, it doesn't matter.
Correct.
Okay, it only matters if you sell. Now, if you then sell in a market that is slightly declining, okay, you'll sell your house for slightly less. But if you're buying back into the same market, you'll pay slightly less. So one hand will wash the other. If the market's up, you'll get top dollar for yours. If you're buying in, you'll pay top dollar for someone else's.
Correct.
So this is still an opportunity for everyone, and it's not something that you should be afraid of. If you want to talk to a real estate expert, reach out to any of our sales agent here at NGU Real Estate, Ipswich Central, Baval, Carolee, Ripley, Greater Springfield, Forest Lake. There's seven offices. Reach out to any of our amazing team and we'll help you, right? But it's not all doom and gloom. Don't focus too intently on what the news and your Facebook feed says. It's not all doom and gloom. The real estate market is strong. It's resilient, just like you. So don't panic. Everything's going to be okay.
Agreed.
All right. Now, mate, thank you, as always, for coming along. We're joined, obviously, by Matthew Taylor-Farrington from Purple Bunny Marketing, the #1 marketing company in all of Ipswich. Right, so if you need marketing...
I swear Trevor's coming after you for royalties.
Yeah, he's going to try and trademark that, I'd say. But, if you need any marketing support, Matt's your man. He'd love to be able to help you out. Now, for everyone at home, we've given you a lot of information in a very short period of time. If you've got any questions, if you've got any comments, we'd love to hear from you. Your feedback is extremely important to us.
Yes.
If you want to talk to us, click the link below. We'd love to hear from you. So Just to finish off, I'm Steve Athanates. I'm the owner of NGU Real Estate here in Ipswich and surrounding areas. I look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Ipswich's Real Estate Podcast.